This is the Lazy Susan from the kitchen upstairs. So we're going to start with this. I've already sanded and sealed and sanded it. So let's try it out. I'm going to be using a semi-transparent water-based stain made by Minwax. And the color name is Hedgewood. I'm going to stir that up real good. When applying this, you can use any old brush as long as it's free of debris and isn't gunked up with old paint, because you're just using it as a vehicle to lay it down. The trick is to lay it out quickly. You don't want to let it sit there too long. There's the first coat on the Lazy Susan. I'm pretty happy with that. Let's work on the countertop and we'll hit all of it with a second coat later. While working on the Lazy Susan, I was also preparing and finishing the countertops for the bathroom. The final finishing steps are the same. If you'd like to watch the two videos where I build this beautiful countertop, I've left the links in the description below. Or you could click on the end screens at the end of this video. Alright, it's been completely stained. 3 coats. Now it's ready for its oil-based poly. And to do that, we're going to use a clear satin, oil-based polyurethane by Varathane. Don't forget to wear your mask, because this stuff is stinky and it'll eat your brain. Fortunately, it's 65 degrees today and I can open all the windows. Now you only want to stir this, don't shake it because you don't want to create a bunch of bubbles. And get yourself a fresh brush. I like to use the nylon, it's very smooth flowing. Third and final coat, and then a 3-day drying period. And now it's time to put on the hardware. This is a very simple project that just about anybody can do. After finishing the Lazy Susan, I was wondering, what was I going to display to illustrate its function? And I thought, why not the cool little jig I made to help make the exterior window frames for the Vineyard farmhouse? I set up a playlist of all my other makers projects, titled My Makes. Check it out.
Oh yeah? You're looking at me? What?